Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So I made a video about Clickworker and many people are saying that they did not really understand how to install Clickworker in Nigeria. Some of them are saying that Clickworker is no longer working in Nigeria. Some of them said they cannot find it in Play Store. So in this video, I am going to show you people step-by-step guide on how you can download Clickworker from Play Store and install it in your Android phone. I am making use of Android phone. I am not making use of iPhone. So if you know you are using an iPhone, all you just have to do is go and get an Android phone. Remember, I told you guys, Android phone is for hustling. iPhone is for paparazzi. So if you want paparazzi, you carry your iPhone, go. Android phone is for those that want to hustle. So I am going to show you guys how you can download Clickworker from Play Store without VPN, because many of you are telling me that you want to use VPN. I don't know why you want to use VPN. Remember, if you use VPN on Clickworker, they will block you because you're not supposed to use VPN. So I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can download Clickworker in your app. So let's go. So now guys, when you go to your Play Store, follow me step by step. I'll show you how to do this. So click on search, then you are going to type Clickworker on the Play Store. Just type Clickworker. Now let's go. So this is my Clickworker. Look at it here. Now the app is asking me to update. See the phone I installed it on, Journey X12 Lite. Now I am going to update it. Let me update it, because it's asking me to update it. So let me update it. For those of you that are just doing it for the first time, you need to install it. You understand? So from time to time, you come here and you also update. So let's wait for you to update. No VPN. You can see I'm not using any VPN. So many of you will be doubting or this. And I see a lot of comments there. Some people are saying that it's a scam. You know, I don't understand why Nigerians behave like this. I made a video to show you how you can make money in Nigeria, and all you can say is what I say, it is a scam. You guys are just used to scam, and that's why you believe everything is a scam. You will see the money I have already made from the app. Now I have updated the app. I will just click open. Now, if you are just registering for the first time, it will ask you to register your details. Now you can see it's asking me for my location. So many of you say you want to use VPN. If you use VPN and they find out that you're using VPN, they will block you. Look what I don't play. You can see my money over there. Shebi, you are seeing my money over there. They will block you. So now I don't want them to, I don't want to use my location. I don't want them to show them my location. So I will just tell them, don't allow. Understand? I don't want to show them my location. Now look at the amount I have made so far. 44.7 euros. You can see it over there. That's the money I've made. Now, if you go down, you will see the job that are available. Now, go down, you will see the jobs available. See the job. See this one here. This one is a computer jobs. I will use my computer to do this job. So if I have a computer, you can use a computer to do this. So all I just have to do is to log into my computer with the same account details, and then I can now do this job with my computer. Now, let me go up so that I can show you that job for Android phone. Now, these are the job for Android phone. This one is help train and authentication application via the photo ID match app. So I will do this job later today. Now this one is help train. So most of the job I'm having is help to train an application, all this AI application and all that. That's most of the job I have, and these jobs pay a lot of money. Now the one you are seeing up here, this is a survey. You can just do the survey and you make money from it as well. So this is very simple. I don't know why many of you are saying that Clickworker is not in Nigeria. I don't know the kind of phones that you guys are using, but you can see the phone I'm using there. I'm using an Android phone, Journey, and everything is working perfect. So you can try this out and start doing job on this platform. You can be earning. So you can see my money over there. Once this money get up to 12 euros, I will withdraw it to my account, to my wallet, to my e-wallet or whatever. I will withdraw the money to my account. I have also made a video about that, on how you can withdraw your money from Clickworker. So if most of you, if I be following me all this while, you will see that video and You will learn how to withdraw your money to your wallet here in Nigeria. It's as simple as that. There's not too much talk about this. So guys, I will appreciate if you like this video and share this video to your friends, especially those ones that are doubting, those doubting Thomas. Share this video and give to them. Let them watch it and learn how to download the app and start making money on Clickworker. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.